Yo, what's up guys? This is the short tutorial for the Big Boy Dance Challenge by Shaun Loo. Okay guys, so remember this is my right and this is my left. Now let's start. So we go like 1 and 2 and 3 and wave, wave, pump. Next, kick 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next, the hand. 1, 2, double tap. 3 and 4 and. Next, jump and heel. 1 and 2 and kick, kick, and then turn. Now let's stay one more time. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and kick, 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 boom, boom, ha, 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 and big boy, lean back, jump, big boy, ha, ha. Next, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay guys, so follow me for more TikTok dance challenge. Peace!